Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to change the SIM pin on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's scroll to the security. Here in the device security section on the first position we've got SIM card lock, so simply tap on it and tap on change SIM pin. As you can see right now we have to enter the current pin we've got set, so let me do it and tap on the stick icon, and here we have to enter new one. So let me do something like that maybe. Wait, what happened? Something like that. Okay, and let's tap on the tick icon, and here we have to retype it in order to confirm. And as you can see, we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that from now on your device will require the new pin if you will restart it. So actually this is it. This is how to change SIM pin in your REALME GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.